It's a great privilege that I am here to introduce myself. I am Boy Christopher Sinoche, 18 years of age, studying at Batangas State University, Alangilan Campus 2. I am the youngest child of my single mom. We are three in the family. My mother is a utility worker and my brother is on the job training as a welder. I want to finish my study to have a degree, to achieve my goals, and to find a better job that is suitable for my skills and knowledge. I want to help my family to make them proud. Although we are living with a simple life, I am blessed to have my mother who is guiding me and supporting me in every good thing I do, and always there willing to sacrifice everything for us. I am proud to be a BSU student because I highly respect this university, because I know that school is a great help with my study, not only for my aim and future, but also for my family as well. I want to be a well-educated and respected person that can be a model to people and especially to the next generation. I want to have many friends that around me that will help me and in molding myself as a better person. I know that all my dreams may not be possible if there is no willingness from my mind and from my heart. And I will assure you that I am willing and able to have this opportunity if ever. Added to my personal information, my hobby is playing basketball with my friends. And if I have given a chance to train by your company, I will do my best and I will do everything as far as I can. Thank you.